Hello children, good morning to you all. I hope you have understood the lesson yesterday which I taught about the United Nations, right? United Nations lesson I explained you yesterday. I hope you have understood it. So once again I revise it, then I am going to give you few new terms in it. I told you during the time of our independence struggle for independence of our country, two major wars broke out in the world, World War One and World War Two. These two wars shook the whole world. People all over the world became very tensed, restless, and insecure. They were unsafe, they were feeling unsafe because these wars led to lot of destruction, lot of loss of human life as well as money. That's why they were worried, if third world war takes place, what would be the future of our lives then, because these wars were very horrible. During the World War II, which was held or which took place in 1939 and it ended in 1945. During this period, America dropped atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, two cities of Japan. And you know, their result was so horrible that these these cities turned into ashes completely, burnt completely. Not a single uh, thing was left undamaged. So, seeing this, people were worried, if only one atom bomb could do such a big destruction, if it continues in the world, what would be the future of we people and our children? That's why they wanted to form one organization which would work for the world peace and security, and which would prevent the wars, which would prevent or stop wars. For that purpose, after the First World War, the League of Nations was formed, an organization which is known as the League of Nations. It was arbitrary body, means without any self motive, only for common purpose. It was, that is called arbitrary organization. So it was for common safety, it was for common welfare of all the people of the world. But unfortunately, it was not successful. Then what happened? In the year 1945, October 24, one more organization was formed. Many countries, advanced countries like China, France, Russia, America, England, they came forward. They felt that there is a need to form one organization which could take care of the whole world's safety and welfare. In that way, they formed the organization called the United Nations. The United Nations. The United Nations. According to which its main objective is to secure or to achieve world peace and safety, and as well as stop wars, prevent wars. Understand? It was formed on 24th October 1945. I already told. So that day onwards, it was 24th October every year is celebrated as the UN Day. Understand? Its headquarters is at New York, and its charter was formed, framed, and passed at San Francisco in USA. In the beginning, only 50 countries were the members, but at present you could find 193 members for this organization. Who can become the member? What are the rules for it? What are the conditions? No conditions. Any country which wants to maintain peace, law, and order in the world can become its member. So, whichever countries who are in favor of peace and security of the world, they became the members of the UNO. In this way, at present, 193 countries are the members of the UNO, and it set its own goals for the smooth functioning of the UN. What are they? To create friendly relation among the people, to maintain cooperation among the people, give equal rights to all the people, and help each other countries, member countries, for their development, etc. etc. Understand? To remove racial discrimination, differences which are formed on the basis of religion, language, sex, etc. Okay, these are the main objectives. And to promote human rights. To promote human rights means to encourage the people to enjoy their rights. All the people of the world have few common rights: right to live, right to exchange the ideas, right to express their ideas, right to follow any religion, right to stay in any country. Understand? Right to press. Press means speak in front of the newspaper authorities about anything which is in favor of world peace. So these are called human rights. So on 10th December in the year 1948, Human Rights Declaration was passed. So 10th December every year we celebrate it as the Human Rights Day. So now a lot of problems were solved by the UNO, but still as it goes on solving the problems, new problems are arising. But even then, without any rest, it's working for the welfare of the world and maintaining peace and security. This is the lesson I taught you yesterday. Now I am going to give you new terms. We are reading each of them 3 times. Please listen to me properly and repeat after me. Okay, and one thing I suggest you, after my teaching is over, please open the textbook, read the lesson, you see the text, new terms what I give on the blackboard, underline them in the textbook, and you are writing them 2 times as usual, leaving a line. So let me start new terms. We are going to read them. First, expensive. EXXPEN, pen. SIVE, expensive. EXPEN, SIVE, expensive. Arbitration. ARBITRATION, arbitration. Disabled. Disabled. Aggression. AGRESSION, aggression. Let me write first. Again we are going to read them. Federation. Successful. establish, security, organization, organization, disputes, preserve, headquarters, promote, economic, headquarters, cultural, universal, declaration, achieve. So these 18 words we are going to read them 3 times each. Okay, first we are reading 3 times. I am reading. Please do repeat after me every time. EXPENSIVE, expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. ARBIT RATATION, arbitration. ARBIT RATION, arbitration. Arbitration. ARBIT RATION, arbitration. ARBIT RATION, arbitration. DISABLED, disabled. DISABLED, disabled. DISABLED, disabled. AGRESSION, aggression. AGRESSION, aggression. AGRESSION, aggression. AGRESSION, SSION, aggression. FEDERATION, federation. FEDERATION, federation. FEDERATION, federation. FEDERATION, federation. SUCCESSFUL, successful. SUCCESSFUL, successful. SUCCESSFUL, successful. ESTABLISH, establish. ESTABLISH, establish. ESTABLISH, establish. SECURITY, security. SECURITY, security. SECURITY, security. Ninth, organization. ORGANISATION, organization. ORGANISATION, organization. ORGANISATION, organization. DISPUTES, disputes. DISPUTES, disputes. DISPUTES, disputes. DISPUTES, disputes. PRESCRVE, preserve. PRESCRVE, preserve. PRESCRVE, preserve. PRESCRVE, preserve. PROMOTE, promote. PROMOTE, promote. PROMOTE, promote. ECONOMIC, economic. ECONOMIC, economic. ECONOMIC, economic. HEAD, head. QUARTERS, headquarters. HEAD, head. QUARTERS, quarters, headquarters. HEAD, head. QUARTERS, quarters, headquarters. CULTURAL, cultural. CULTURAL, cultural. CULTURAL, cultural. UNIVERSAL, universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. DECLA, RATION, declaration. DECLARATION, declaration. DECLARATION, declaration. ACHIEVE, achieve. ACHIEVE, achieve. ACHIEVE, achieve. ACHIEVE, achieve. Let me see if any more are there. Few more I am giving here once again. This side. Dignity. 19th. DIGNITY, dignity. DIGNITY, dignity. SLAVERY, slavery. SLAVERY, slavery. Servitude. SCRVITUDE, servitude. Torture. TORTURE, torture. Detention. DETENTION, T-I-O-N, detention. Entitled, E-N-T-I-T-L-E-D, entitled. Discrimination. 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 So these are enough. Let me read them. D-I-G-N-I-T-Y, dignity. D-I-G-N-I-T-Y, dignity. D-I-G-N-I-T-Y, dignity. S-L-A-V-E-R-Y, slavery. S-L-A-V-E-R-Y, slavery. S-L-A-V-E-R-Y, slavery. S-C-R-V-I-T-U-D-E, servitude. S-C-R-V-I-T-U-D-E, servitude. S-C-R-V-I-T-U-D-E, servitude. T-O-R-T-U-R-E, torture. T-O-R-T-U-R-E, torture. T-O-R-T-U-R-E, torture. D-E-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, detention. D-E-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, detention. D-E-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, detention. Entitled, E-N-T-I-T-L-E-D, entitled. E-N-T-I-T-L-E-D, entitled. E-N-T-I-T-L-E-D, entitled. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, discrimination. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, discrimination. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, discrimination. These are the words. You please read them, underline in the textbook, and write each one 2 times, leaving a line and drawing one line in the middle for column. That's it for today. I hope you understood what I said, and please try to write them. So thank you, children.